Hi, Brian Support from BlueCap Productions. I'm here at the Tucson Fine Mineral Gallery, and I'm right outside the room of the focal crystal. Now, recently I caught up with James Webb at his studio in Houston as he shared some of the amazing things that they're going to be bringing to this room right here when they set up in just a few days. So let's check out what focal crystal is bringing to 2025 Tucson.
Hey, good morning, everybody. James Webb coming to you live here from the Focal Crystal Gallery in Houston, Texas. You can see we got a lot of boxes being packed up, and I want to give you a little sense of what's been going on in Houston here the last couple days. Let's take a look out here. Snow. So we'll get back to the rocks here. Thank you, Brian, the good people at BlueCap Productions, for letting us spend a few minutes showing off some things that we're going to be taking to the gallery. So I'll give you the little nickel tour here. All right, so here's our gallery full of rocks. Here's a beautiful large gem elmwood. Not a scratch on it. This is going to be going to Tucson. Here's the new arrival. Look at this. Jewel heliodor with 2 terminations on the top. Flawless internally. Just a beautiful rock. Let's see what else. Oh, we got this really great Chessie mine plate with great luster. Ooh, I like this one. This is a new arrival. This is a mirror luster hematite. This is out of a private collection here in Houston. New arrival to the gallery. Let's see here. Let's take a look at some things over here in the jewel box. Here is a beautiful morganite, water clear, beautiful luster, even on the terminal faces. You can see just how clear that thing is. It's flawless. This is a really nice pyromorphite from Bunker Hill. Huge crystals, as big around as my thumb. See what else we got already packed up and ready to go. Ooh, look at this. This is aquamarine from Vietnam on matrix. Something we're grateful to have. This is out of the Flawless Beauty book, so you can find that in there. Let's see. Here's a new little arrival to the gallery. Beautiful burst of aquamarine, all complete, lustrous terminations. And then here's a rock from my Arizona junkies. This is Mammoth St. Anthony mine, wolfenite with dioptase. This is I got this from Irv Brown earlier this year. And then here's something that's lovely and almost impossible. This is a jewel Herkimer on matrix. Look at that. Jewel Herkimer on matrix. So we got a lot of little tasty treats to share and show you guys. We'll have a lot of these things will be in our gallery over at Ian's place, and also our gallery over at Mineral City A11. Look at this. This is really cool. This is a blue topaz from the Zapot claim in Nevada with the Amazonite. Just razor sharp. For U.S. locality topaz, that's pretty hard to beat. So look at a couple of things over here. This is new. This is an incredible copper from Australia. We got this when Phil Pershon over at Pershon Fine Minerals, Pershon Rare Minerals, got a batch of these, and this was the pick of the litter. And then we've got another piece we got from Irv Brown. This, of course, is Red Cloud Wolfenite. Big, thick, wet luster, red crystals. This is really beautiful. Tourmaline burst with lepidolite. Colonel Murta. You can see it's about a little bit bigger than my hand. So that's it. We're in full pack out mode. We got flats and flats and flats of beautiful specimens. Lots of stuff that's never been seen. We've got a couple of favorites in here. We've got these this tourmaline from Jenny Popo that makes other minerals just look pale. Let's see. Yeah. Ooh. So there you have it. We've got, oh wait, here's one more. Look at this thing. You're going to like this, Brian. Emerald in quartz. Emerald in quartz. It's also in flawless beauty. All right, everybody. So the pack out continues. We look forward to seeing everybody at the Tucson Fine Mineral Gallery. The official opening date, January 31st. We'll be there with beautiful things, and we can't wait to see all of our rock friends. Everybody have a great day and stay safe out there.